Click on the link below to get price. The Canon EF 100 to 400mm f/4. 5 to 5.6L is 2 USM lens is a remarkable piece of equipment that has earned its reputation among both amateur and professional photographers. This versatile lens, paired with a filter kit, provides an exceptional balance between portability and performance, making it an ideal choice for wildlife, sports, and landscape photography. One of the standout features of this lens is its impressive zoom range. With the ability to capture subjects from afar, it offers fantastic versatility for various photography scenarios. The image stabilization system is another highlight, significantly reducing camera shake and enabling steady shots even at longer focal lengths. This is particularly useful in low-light conditions or when shooting handheld, allowing for sharp images without the incessant blur. The lens construction is robust, reflecting Canon's L-series quality. It is weather-sealed, meaning it can withstand challenging conditions, making it perfect for outdoor shooting. The build quality feels solid, and the lens feels comfortable in hand, although it is relatively heavy, weighing around 3 pounds. This weight may be a consideration for those who plan lengthy shoots. Optically, the lens performs exceptionally well. It boasts a sharpness that is consistent across the zoom range, with minimal distortion and aberrations. The bokeh is creamy and aesthetically pleasing, bringing a professional touch to portraits or wildlife shots. The autofocus is fast and accurate, which is critical for capturing moving subjects. The included filter kit enhances the functionality of this lens by providing additional protection and flexibility. Polarizers and ND filters in the kit help achieve creative effects, control reflections, and manage lighting. In conclusion, the Canon EF 100 to 400mm f/4. 5 to 5.6L is 2 USM lens, combined with the filter kit, offers outstanding image quality, versatility, and durability. It is a worthy investment for anyone serious about photography, delivering reliable performance that meets the demands of both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic hobbyists alike.